Hello girls and boys, how are you today? We are getting ready to start on your new painting assignment. Everyone should have picked up their art material pack that has all kinds of goodies for our next few assignments. Inside that package you have a Ziploc baggie, and in that Ziploc baggie you have some little cardboard templates. You're going to need small, medium, and large template from that baggie. Right now you have a Papa Bear, Mama Bear, Baby Bear size. Right now you just need to focus, we're going to put the Papa Bear size aside, and you just need to focus on the Baby Bear and Mama Bear size. I would like you to choose one of these sizes to do your thumbnail sketches. Whichever one you choose is what you're going to use in your final drawing when we go to transfer it to our watercolor paper. If you choose the small one, you will be doing a 4 by 4 inch grid, and so that will be a total of 16 that are this size. If you use the larger one, you will be doing a 3 by 3 inch grid, which is a total of 9 spaces. Okay, so you decide which size you would like to use. Both of them will turn out to be the same finished size artwork, but you decide the size of each individual square that you'll be painting, okay? In your sketchbook, either size you use, either the small or the large, I would like you to draw four of these shapes in your sketchbook, and you're going to do 4 different designs to choose from. Remember, we always give ourselves choices for design. First choice is usually not the best one, not always, but usually. So I am going to draw myself 4 squares. Now notice how quick I'm drawing these squares. It shouldn't take that long. Notice that I'm not worrying about the little going around the corners, because this is just a thumbnail sketch. Notice that I kept my pencil straight up and down, so I used the side of my template like a ruler. I didn't go like this sideways, because then it goes underneath. So I have 4 spaces to do my designs in. We are working with positive and negative space design. Everybody should know what that is, but let's review what that is real quick. Your freshman year in Art 1, you did positive and negative space drawings and cut paper designs. Remember that the positive space is the object itself. The negative space is the background or the area around the space. Notice that there's nothing drawn on the inside. All of that gets erased. This is a value drawing of those scissors, and you have all this detail. We don't need that in this assignment. Contour drawing are the same thing. All this detail, we don't need that. We just need the shape of the objects that you are looking at. The key is to have a good composition. I want you to just look around whatever is in front of you, and I want you to draw whatever you see in front of you. And draw lightly, because you're going to have to erase some of this stuff as you do your drawing. Right now, as I'm sitting at my drawing desk, I see a staple remover in front of me, so I am going to kind of draw that staple remover. And remember, I don't need any of this stuff in here. So I'm going to take that out. And I'm going to, all I need is the outside shape of what I see. Okay? Don't need anything else. That's not a bad. My negative space looks okay, but I want to break some of that negative space up. So I'm going to draw something else in there, and I'm going to look around, and I see one of my lamp cords hanging from my light that's lighting up my desk area. So I'm going to add that, but now I have to erase the line that was inside, because remember, no lines, no shapes or lines on the inside, just the outside shape. That looks okay. I'm going to add one more thing. I'm going to look around and I see the pole from the standing light that is, and I'm going to just add it right over here. I can add things as I want to add and delete things that I don't want, but the important thing on this is that I am erasing all of the inside lines, so all I have left are my big shapes. Let's revise that shape a little bit. There you go. Positive and negative space design. I'll do one more in this space so you can kind of see. And I'm going to look around and I'm going to find something else, and I see the cord that is plugged into my charger. See lots of cords and chargers and things like that around. Notice how light I'm drawing. I'm not drawing really dark and heavy because I'm going to have to erase some stuff, right? I'm going to have to erase all this stuff from the inside so that I have a nice clean design in the end. I am going to add something else over here on these sides because my my composition, remember, it's about, in the end, it's about a good composition, and I always want a good composition. You're the artist, so you get to revise and change things up any way you like. But we are going to start with direct observation. That means the things that are in front of you. And this is usually how artists work, where they get their ideas from the information that is around them. And we are going to practice that a lot. So again, I'm erasing all my lines on the inside. So you're going to do 4 of these designs, and then we will talk about what we're going to do next. So get working, and I will talk to you in a little bit after we have our 4 designs drawn. Remember, nothing on the inside. You want a good composition, and you want your negative space to be different in each corner. Should we have a sort of different? And you don't want just one thing in the middle with all this negative space. You want a nice composition. Be sure to label and date your page. Today is 11/14/20, and this is Pause Negative Space Designs. And then I'm going to label what each of these are. I'll see y'all in a little bit.